In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Canva using a simple keyboard shortcut. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or any kind of design project, being able to emphasize certain words or phrases is essential. So let's dive right into it. First, we need to get to the starting point of all your creations, your Canva home. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once you've logged in, you're greeted with your Canva homepage. Here, you can see all your recent designs, templates to choose from, and most importantly, your design projects waiting to be edited. Now let's find the specific text you want to underline. Perhaps you've already started your design, or you could be working on a fresh new one. In either case, look for the text box where your important text resides. Click on the text box to ensure it's selected. You'll notice a rectangular outline around the text, along with small circles at the corners of the box. This indicates that the text is active and ready for formatting. Here comes the simplest part, yet it's super effective. With your text still selected, head over to your keyboard and press the Control key along with the letter U. That's Ctrl plus U for short. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut would be Command plus U instead. This keyboard trick serves as a universal command to underline your selected text. And there you have it. Your chosen text now appears with a line underneath it, giving it that extra bit of emphasis it might need. This simple action can make your words stand out and can significantly impact the visual hierarchy of your design. And just like that, you're done. You've seized the power to underline text in Canva with a simple, quick command. This feature is perfect for when you want to highlight headings, draw attention to specific details, or just add a little flair to your design. Remember, small details like these can make your designs much more engaging. If you find yourself underlining text frequently, this shortcut is a real time saver and something you'll probably find yourself using again and again. And that wraps up our quick yet essential tip on underlining text in Canva. I hope you found this guide as straightforward and helpful as promised. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques to help enhance your Canva designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.